assembling the chairs, the dining sets. So you start with the base. There is 3 different sizes of backrests. So the tall ones are in the middle, the two tall ones, then the second 2 short ones follow, and the short ones follow at the end.
This is hoop.
Then we have the hoop that goes on. Then you start with the middle 2. You put them in and you use a hammer to make sure that it's secure. Sometimes you have to go on the ground and hit a bit more.
You know, this is like too old.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Always required, but you know, once in a while that happens. And then now there are 2 holes that have screws here that hold the back together. So he's screwing that in. Make sure it's right straight through and level. And then the screw goes in. Make sure it's angled so it does not break the seat as it comes out. So that's a perfect seat. And then these are the legs. We've assembled them. The top 2 red ones, the ones that are marked with the red color, go to the front, and just hammer them on like that. The top 2 red ones are the front, they are longer, and the top 2 short ones at the back. Then you hammer them in. Then what the step we're gonna do here is very important, because some of these are done and the legs keep coming out. So angle screw in there to hold the front legs, and it's regular drywall screws. They work just fine. Put in that. So you have 4 screws on each of the legs, and that's it. Then we have all these assembled. We'll put those together, and now we're just going to make the arms. The one with the split end comes to the front, and see the split end in there. And the one which is solid back, that one has no split, you can see. And that one is split in it, those go to the front. Easy. Make sure they're level. Again, it's a drywall screw.